good friends to this committee, and we're delighted to have them here to say a word in your behalf. And I recognize Senator McCain for whatever comments that he might make.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Thank you for holding this hearing. I want to thank you and Senator Frist for taking the time to consider this very fine American to serve as Surgeon General of the United States. Dr. Carmona's inspiring story is the living embodiment of the American dream. A high school dropout, Richard Carmona first served our nation with the Special Forces in Vietnam, where he became a decorated Green Beret. Upon his return, he obtained his high school equivalency and became the first member of his family to graduate from college. He went on to become a nurse and later enrolled in medical school specializing in trauma surgery. When he graduated, Dr. Carmona relocated in Tucson, Arizona, and established Southern Arizona's first trauma center. Later, he continued his education, obtaining a master's degree in public health from the University of Arizona, where he now serves as a member of the faculty. As a professor, Dr. Carmona trains future doctors in clinical surgery, public health, and community medicine. Always in pursuit of more challenges, in 1986, Dr. Carmona joined the Pima County Sheriff's Department as a surgeon and a SWAT team leader. Today, Dr. Carmona is a celebrated deputy sheriff. In fact, he's received the honor of top cop from the National Association of Police Organizations and is one of the most decorated policemen in Arizona. In addition to his service to the community, Dr. Carmona is a motivating community leader. He has stressed the importance of community preparedness and warned of the dangers of a biological assault long before September 11th. After the terrorist attacks, Dr. Carmona recognized the psychological impact of the events on Tucson residents and coordinated a team of mental health experts to assist them in dealing with the associated trauma. Due to his bioterrorism experience, he is also put in charge of implementing Southern Arizona's bioterror and emergency preparedness plans. Mr. Chairman, Arizona will surely miss this outstanding man, and I know he will miss Arizona. Our nation will gain an invaluable leader. With his military and law enforcement background, coupled with his demonstrated commitment to public health and community preparedness, Dr. Carmona is extraordinarily, perhaps uniquely qualified to address the needs of our nation as Surgeon General. I thank you, Mr. Chairman, for allowing me to appear, and I look forward to the opportunity of seeing Dr. Carmona in this very important position.
Thank you very much, Senator McCain, for your good words, strong words of recommendation, and we're glad that you're here. We know that you have other responsibilities, so we'll glad to have you stay, but if you have to excuse yourself whenever you want. Senator Kyl, welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I'd like to put an introductory statement in the record and simply expand on the last point that Senator McCain made. Dr. Carmona's background is so broad and varied that one might call him a man for all seasons. But I think the last point Senator McCain made is important for us now. He is a man for this season. His unique background will qualify him to deal with the unique responsibilities that he will have in helping us in the war on terror. And I think while we've had excellent Surgeons General in the past with backgrounds in other areas of the medical field and health, community health profession, in this particular time, his unique background will serve him well and serve us well as we work our way through this war on terror, with the bioterrorism issues that you and Senator Frist have been so active on, and many of the other things. So he, I think, is exactly the right nominee at this time, and in addition to all of the other ways that he will help and the other experience that he brings to the office, his experiences that will shed unique light on and inform his leadership with respect to the war on terror, I think make him uniquely qualified at this particular point in time. And so I join my colleague in strongly recommending him to the committee and in volunteering in any way to assist this committee move his nomination forward.
Thank you very much, Senator Kyl. These are strong recommendations, and we're delighted to have both of you make these presentations here today. I'll make a brief opening statement on